And lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Dancing in the dark, you between my arms. And girls, they wanna have fun. No, girls just wanna have fun.
Do you know what these songs have in common? They're all super easy to play. If you know the secret, it'll be a piece of cake to play hundreds of the most popular songs. Let's open the treasure box. What we find are only 4 chords that are used in many popular pop and rock songs. After this course, you'll master 4 out of 8 essential open chords with Fratello. Get confident to rock out to a load of great songs and have fun. Are you ready for the first one? Let's start with the E minor chord.
To learn the E minor chord, pick the open low E string. Open means without fretting a string. Place your index finger at the 2nd fret on the A string. Now pick it. Then, place your middle finger at the 2nd fret on the D string. Now pick it. The last 3 strings are open, so you don't fret any of these strings. Pick the open G string. Be sure it is not muted by your middle finger. Pick the open B string. Pick the open E string. Now strum all 6 strings for the E minor chord. To learn the C chord, place your ring finger at the 3rd fret on the A string. Now play it. Then, place your middle finger at the 2nd fret on the D string. Play it. The next string is open, so you don't need to fret it. Play the G string. Now, place your index finger at the 1st fret on the B string. Play it. Play the open high E string. Now strum the 5 strings for the C chord. The secret to changing fast from the E minor to the C major chord is to keep your middle finger pressed down while changing the other fingers. Doing so is less effort and makes the change easier.
To master the chord change even more, start counting along while playing. Begin by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, loudly and steadily, and play the chords on each one with a downward strum.
And lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Say no more counting dollars, we be counting stars.